Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we have a quick unboxing to do from Amazon. It is a very large box. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What's up everybody? Alright, so we're gonna do a unboxing of this Amazon box. There's a little Amazon.com receipt. Oh, that's funny. Check this out, guys. It says, "A gift from Antonio C. Michael. Enjoy your gift." I purchased this. I am Antonio C. Michael. Why would there be a slip in there saying, "Enjoy your gift"? Appreciate that, Amazon. Appreciate the gift. I mean, you know, since it's a gift, you know, you could give me my money back. Wow, that's interesting. Ready to ship. Why is it packaged like this? I mean, it was already put in the Amazon box. Wow, this thing is packaged like really well. Oh, this is the Tekton box. Okay. It's packaged like really nice. Which is odd because I never ever had anything packaged this nice. Well, actually, one other item I have. Okay. We have a little wrench organizer. We have 6 wrenches as well. Looks very nice. You can see the camera and the reflection of the wrench. These are 6-point double FlexHeads. They are not reversible. If you want to reverse it, you would have to flip it. So this is tighten right now. So if you wanted to loosen, you'd have to flip it around. This is a 19 and a 17. Here is an 18 and a 16. There are definitely smudges on them though. The beams are, they're pretty thick. They're not as thick as the Capris, but they're pretty thick. There's a slight amount of scratches on them already. And it's hard for you guys to see them, but I can see them. But it's not a big deal, they're going to get scratched anyways. And the part number is on the back for each one of these individual wrenches. I'll probably take them out again and then show you guys. Here's the 13 and the 15, and the last one I showed was the 17. Or 16 and 18. This one's 15 and 13. And that's the part number right there for this wrench. Tekton on the other side. And these are all just millimeter. I did not grab the SAE set. I eventually will grab the SAE set when I need them. I do like that these are all 6-point. These all have Torx heads on them. They feel nice and smooth. I believe these are 72 tooth, if I remember correctly. $12 and $14. Then we have this guy right here, which is 9 and 11, and this is actually a 6-piece set. I went to Harbor Freight just to check the Icon ones out, and they wanted $200 for the Icon ones, and it was a 5-piece set, which means that it didn't have 2 wrenches, 2 sizes. So this one comes with 12, but 6 wrenches, 2 apiece, and the Harbor Freight one metric set comes with 5, which is only 10 wrenches. So the Harbor Freight actually skips sizes. This one feels a little rough. This 9mm feels kind of rough. Definitely have to spray some WD-40 or something in here. Maybe it will loosen it up. It does feel kind of sticky, and maybe the teeth are a little rougher than the rest. This is a 9 and 11. Kind of wish that they had no blemishes on them, but they do. They have scratch marks all over them. You can see the camera and everything, and it doesn't look like I can pick up the scratches. There is definitely scratches. There's one right there. And there's a crap ton right here at the end. but and the container is really nice too. Move this box out the way. It's the box it came in. This container right here is really nice. This guy right here is an 8 and a 10. Both of these feel really nice. All of them flex fairly easily, but they stay in their place, which is great. It was definitely well packaged. There is a lot of scratch marks, but you know, that is what it is. You can't do much about it. 8 to 10 millimeter. So the 8 and 10 millimeter, the wrench number is WRN77163. So Whiskey River Northern 77103. Let's go right here. Take the next one out. Oops. So the 9 and 11 is Whiskey Robert Northern 77105. Whiskey Robert Northern 77105 for the 9 and 11. For the next one up, which is the 12 and 14, part number is Whiskey River Northern 77107. For the next one up, it is 13 and the 15. The part number is Whiskey River Northern 77109. And then the next one is the 16 and 18, and its part number is Whiskey River Northern 77111. I'm surprised it didn't go straight to, I don't know, 111 would be next. Okay. And then the very last one is the 17 and 19 millimeter. And it is part number Whiskey River Northern 77113. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It goes from 8, 9, 10, oh, you guys can't see that. Let me scoot these back so you guys can see. Okay, so it goes from 8 millimeter, 9 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 11 millimeter, 12 to 13, 14 to 15, 16 to 17, and 18 to 19. There are some kits that you can get that are like full-blown, all the way to like 24 millimeter, but they're not FlexHeads. So this is starts at 8 and goes all the way to 19 with no skips. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and chit-chatting. I thought it was kind of funny that it says, you know, here's your gift. They did come in nice little plastic sleeves. And, you know, I like that the box was generic, just a generic brown box that says Tekton on it. You know, I like that. I also like that they put a lot of packaging inside that box, so these wrenches did not get damaged. I'm cleaning these real quick as I put them down. I do appreciate you guys watching and hanging out with me today. Would appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe. Would also appreciate it if you go check out the links below, as well as hit the bell notification icon for future updates. If you guys want to see updates on any of these things, these tools, any videos that I do. Appreciate you hanging out with me today. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links down below. And let me know if you guys have these Tekton metric 6-piece wrenches, what you like about them, what you hate about them. Would there be something that you wish that they added? You know, can you get these double box flex end wrenches? Can you get them in larger sizes other than 19 from Tekton? Let me know. Do you have to buy them individually? But I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and checking out the video. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one. Swing them back over here. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace!